What's up, guys? Two airplanes just left the Indy airport. Two FedEx. A Boeing 777 and an MD-11F. The first one we got is the Boeing 777. It's going to Liege or Lodge, how you pronounce it, which is in Belgium. That's where the FedEx 777 is going, which is this one. I can see it turning to the right. Now it's not turning. Oh, there it is. That's the 777 over there. Now I can see it turning to the left just a bit. The FedEx 777 over there. And it's gone. Okay. Now enough. Which I don't see yet. The MD-11F is going to New York. I don't even know where it's at. Should be like, I don't know, right? Oh wait, oh, I thought I saw it. Where is it? Where are you, MD-11? Should be like right here. What the fudge? Oh, it's over there. Right there. There's the MD-11. Oh, look who it is. Ha! That was Kaylee. I got her on video. Let's go. Bang, baby. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and sub. We're on the way to 250 to 300. Thanks for watching.